In this video, you'll learn how to edit your existing website using Godaddy's website builder tools. Let's start by opening the Account drop-down in the top right corner. When the Account menu appears, select your website to access the editing options. Click the Edit Website button to launch the website builder and load your site's editing dashboard. Next, open the Theme tab in the sidebar to customize your site's appearance. Click on the Color option, then select Custom Color to start selecting shades that suit your brand. Now open the Header Layout controls to adjust your site header. Choose the Logo section for branding. When you're ready, click Update Image to refresh your main visuals. In the section library, select Commerce from the categories and then pick Featured Categories to add a shop section that highlights your key products. To manage page content, use the Add Item button on a video card to feature new media or remove blocks you no longer need to keep things tidy. You can add new sections using the floating toolbar. Scroll to find the design you like and choose an introduction layout to quickly insert an About or Welcome section. Adjust the alignment of your content from the sidebar so your elements display exactly as you want. Next, open the font settings in the Theme panel. Choose your preferred font like Adamina or switch to Bitter to set your website's visual tone. Use the Shortcuts section to access and manage your blog, helping you keep your content fresh and relevant. To add a chat feature, click Create New Chat Widget. Enter your website's name, select your customer support inbox, and hit Next to complete setup. If you see a chat prompt, simply dismiss it by selecting No Thanks to keep your workspace clear. Finally, open the Settings tab to access additional site configurations and complete your edits. You've now seen how to edit your Godaddy website with confidence.